by Junior Chef. I am Astha.
I am Brinda. Today we are going to make restaurant style cheesy nachos. First we are going to make topping.
First of all, we'll take 1/4 cup of red bell peppers, 1/4 cup of yellow bell peppers, 1/4 cup of capsicum, and 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn.
Now we are going to take 2 tablespoons of olives, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, salt to taste.
Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup,
1 teaspoon of chilli flakes,
1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning. Now we'll add 3 to 4 drops of Capsico sauce.
dash of black pepper,
Now we'll properly mix this. Now we'll put some nachos on the plate. Now we'll spread some cheese on the top. With that, we are also going to add some pizza seasoning. And some chilli flakes. We'll bake our nachos in the preheated oven for 5 to 7 minutes.
we will garnish it with finely chopped parsley.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.
If you like this recipe, please let us know in the comment section.
For more such recipes, stay tuned. Till that time, happy cooking!